In the fast-paced world of manufacturing, every second counts. Efficiency is the name of the game, and staying on top of tasks is crucial. But what if there was a better way? Introducing Taskopad, the ultimate productivity tool for the manufacturing industry. Taskopad streamlines your workflow by centralizing task management in one easy-to-use platform. With Taskopad, supervisors can assign tasks to workers in real time, ensuring everyone knows exactly what needs to be done and when. Workers can track their progress, update task statuses, and communicate with team members, all within Taskopad. No more lost paperwork or miscommunication. Taskopad keeps your team connected and productive. And with powerful analytics, supervisors can identify bottlenecks, optimize processes, and drive continuous improvement. From the assembly line to the warehouse, Taskopad empowers your team to work smarter, faster, and more efficiently. Taskopad, the key to unlocking productivity in the manufacturing industry. Get started with Taskopad today and revolutionize your manufacturing workflow.